Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. So this week, to go with last week's video, I have some 1950s inspired hairstyles for you. I'll be showing you how to create these two super easy and wearable hairstyles, which I think are the cutest. But really quickly before we get started, I just wanted to say that if you like this video and want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be super awesome and I'd be really grateful. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you really like it, and leave me some comments down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing I'm going to do, which is totally optional by the way, is curl my hair, and I'll be using these Remington hot rollers. The first thing you're going to do is part your hair however you'd like. You're then going to grab a section from the front and start twisting it back, adding sections as you go along until you reach your ear. Once you've reached your ear, you're just going to grab some bobby pins and secure everything in place. You're then just going to do the exact same thing on the other side. And ta-da! Here's the first look! Told you these were super easy. Okay, so for the second look, we're actually going to build off the first look, and the first thing we're going to do is put our hair in a ponytail. Once you've done that, you're just going to split the ponytail through the middle like so and flip it through. Feel free now to make any adjustments you feel necessary, and then you're done with look 2. Yay! Anyway, I hope you guys like the hairstyles. I think they're super cute and I love how wearable they are. I know some vintage hairstyles are sort of hard to wear as an everyday sort of look. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and bye!